Today, we're going to learn about Windows 10, a fundamental part of how our computers function.
Excuse me, what exactly is Windows 10?
Excellent question. Windows 10 is an operating system. Much like how our brain controls our actions, Windows 10 controls our computer. It ensures everything runs smoothly and allows us to carry out various tasks. See this logo? That's the symbol of Windows 10, marking the gateway to countless possibilities on your computer. Now, let's talk about some key features of Windows 10. One of the most notable is its user-friendly interface.
What does that mean, user-friendly interface?
Great question. A user-friendly interface means that it's designed to be easy for everyone to navigate. The icons and buttons are neatly arranged and colorful, making it simple for you to find what you need. And here's something cool, Cortana. Cortana is like a helpful friend inside your computer. You can ask her questions, set reminders, or even have a little chat.
Wow, that sounds awesome.
Alright, that's all for today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to explore Windows 10 on your own.